Alright, I'm at the Miami Boat Show and I'm looking at the beautiful new Beneteau Sense 50. It's Doug Hughes with Sea Lake Yachts. You can find our website at sealakeyachts.com. Take a quick tour of this Sense 50. It's just put on display. They're doing the final touches, getting ready for the boat show to open tomorrow. This one does have the electric cockpit table. It goes up and down automatically. There's all the instrumentation. This is equipped with the bow thruster. Does not have the dock and go. It does have electric primaries. Space here for the other table. I'll go below deck. The nice features of these boats is that entering the cabin, you only have 3 stairs down to the interior. Nice nav desk. It's the pretty leather interior. And that's a nice color. This has the optional electric table. It pivots. In here is a fold-out seat. That's where the TV pops up. Those are the cockpit cushions. Looks like they have a nice color to them. On this side we have the galley. Refrigeration, stove, nice windows. The visibility is amazing from these cabins. So as we go forward, this is the 3-cabin layout, which has the bunk cabin. This will be the bunks. Back up here to get a better view. So that's the bunks. Real nice kids' room. Does have a private door. Across the hall from it is the adjoining head with shower, head, toilet, lots of headroom. And then in here we have the guest stateroom, VIP guest stateroom. Let's go ahead and walk forward. Step down into the forward cabin to keep the headroom. Very nice forward cabin. Insert head. And the head has a separate shower. Nice big shower. Plenty of hanging lockers. Lots of good lighting. We'll walk back out into the main salon, get one more shot of it, and there's your tour of the Sense 50 at the 2014 Miami Boat Show. It is one beautiful boat, or yacht. For more information, visit our website, sealakeyachts.com, or give us a call at 281-334-1993. We look forward to helping you.